Hello, this is Beanie here. Today, let's zoom into HSI Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index had a very good month during the September to October period, but since then, it's right now retracing. Okay, retracing means that it is correcting. So the question would be, is this a good time to continue to buy in, or rather, what's the current status of Hang Seng Index? We're gonna check that out. And today, this video is proudly sponsored by Macquarie. So let's talk about the resistance level. As you can see here, the 22,600 level is a very strong resistance level and price. After touching this level, it's starting to retrace. But right now, what it's getting me a little bit more interested is that is retracing to this zone here. All right, what is this zone? This is a previous high, so that means that this was a previous resistance, and right now this resistance is turning into potential support level. Now at the same time, if I were to draw in Fibonacci retracement from here to the high, the level that is stopping here is the golden ratio, which is 62%. So 62% is just like the fantastic, or rather the golden ratio based on Fibonacci for price to retrace to. Right, so I think that the market is probably suspecting that there could be some reaction here. All right, that's why it's pausing here at the 62%, which is approximately about 19,300 level. Right, but what is most important is that it's this level here. That means I want to point out this 20,000 level. Now, the market, or rather prices, attempted to stop around this 20,000 low, hovered for a while, right? It hovered for about 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks and 4 weeks, but eventually price plunged. Okay, so in order to show that the 62% level and as well as this previous high, they are very good support level, price will need to close up above the 20,000. That means to establish that Hang Seng find a support, then price will need to close above 20,000, which means that price will need to close above this recent low and as well as the round number, which is 20,000. Then these will give a very strong bullish scenario here. Have you clicked the subscribe button? And how about a like? Investors interested in using warrants to tap into short-term trading can visit warrants.com.sg. Under the warrants tools here, please go to warrant selector, choose the HSI, which is the Hang Seng Index. If you are generally bullish on, let's say, HSI, then you can choose the call warrant. Here I've chosen the call warrant. There are two warrants that has the fire logo. Now let's do a simulation based on this warrant here. So assuming that I think that HSI would move to 22,500, which is the resistance level from the current price. Then if it's going to move like in 3 weeks time, then this would be the performance of the warrants here. So for example, under this call warrant that expires on 27th of January 25, then it's moved like, for example, 200+%. If it's really moved to 22,500. So you can play with the simulation here. So let's say, for example, right, you bought a call warrant, but it doesn't move to the higher price. Instead, it moved lower, let's say to 18,000 here. All right, in 2 weeks time, then this would be the losses you might be having. All right, so it's good to play with the warrants in terms of the projected returns, so you understand that warrants as an instrument, whether it will be suitable for you. Don't forget to press the subscribe button because I produce regular videos on US stocks, Hang Seng, and Singapore stocks. And I see you in my next video.